Alright guys, today we're working on this 08 Forester. Put all these new parts on it, sent it over to paint. But I was walking through the yard the other day and I found the same color fender, so I'm gonna swap this fender out so I don't have to paint that door. So I've semi-assembled, so we're gonna semi take it back apart. There's a couple clips up here. Just remove this bumper out of the way. Go ahead and pop those out. This one just happens to be a shitty clip, but it will come out. That was broken. See, look at that, boom. We'll pull those out. I'm gonna start a little pile up here at the top. I got one more clip over here on the bottom. That's how fast it came off. I just temporarily had it on there. Headlight wise, I got the headlight fully. There's a 110 here, there's 2 10s here, there's 110 here, and the headlight comes off. So we'll go ahead and zap that 110 here, 110 up there, down there, 110 right here. We got 2 guys right here. 1, 2. I'll put these guys up here too. Now, headlights gonna want to come out. You got this little clip right here, which I've always broken. So I tend to be a little extra careful. And there's the headlight, guys. This clip, just because you took out this bolt, these 2 bolts, the headlight's not gonna want to come out until you take this clip out. Don't break that clip. Now, fender bolts, you get one here. Got one up here. There's also one here, and there's also one here. Remove those bolts. There's a little rivet clip looking thing right here. There's 110 down here. If you have a little cladding that goes right here, pull that cladding off, because there's another 10 that sits right underneath there. And then there's one that sits right here behind the door. So you open the door, it sits literally right behind it. I say we lift it off, but we have this one clip right here. We got one plastic clip right here, and it's been reamed out, so we're gonna cut it out and then replace it. If we can get to it. Wow. Talk about a plastic clip. I should have put the now to put the fender back on.